a body like me.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Candy. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a reaction video. I haven't done a reaction video in God's know how long. It's been a while. But today, we're doing a reaction video to Summer Walker's Body. I love me some Summer Walker. And her music is just so good. So, and Body is one of my favorite songs. Summer actually watched my Instagram story the other day, but here's a screenshot. Yeah, so without further ado, let's hop into the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Summer Body looks good.
Out of my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face.
Also, she just did this because she's pregnant in this.
That makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can ride all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. But my heart, my mind, and my body say it. My mind, and my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. This is you, it's so amazing. How long can you go, baby?
I think it's like more like a. It's a simple video. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. But my heart, my mind, and my body say it. My mind, and my body. My body say it. My mind, and my heart. My body say it. I know.
Well, that was a very simple video, but no, that was a really good video. I look like she was like looked like she was out of town somewhere. I don't know, in the mountains and stuff with the ocean, and look like Mexico. They gave Mexico. But it was a great video. Just simple, something simple. A lot of artists are now doing simple videos and stuff now. I guess because they're on the budget and we're in a pandemic. Who knows? Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe on the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for the next video. Peace.